Lim spent $67 on 7 goldfish and 4 swordtail fish. The cost of 5 swordtail fish is the same as 8 goldfish. Find the cost of 1 goldfish. So 7 goldfish plus 4 swordtail fish is costing $67, and you're interested in the goldfish. So what you need to do is to change this swordtail to become goldfish. I repeat, change this to become goldfish so that you are dealing with all the goldfish only. Why? Because you are interested in the goldfish. But at the moment, I cannot change 4 swordtail to goldfish because I have 5 swordtails instead. That is the same as 8 goldfish. So what I need to do is to find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. So let me write it down at the side for you. 5 swordtail is the same as 8 goldfish. So these two numbers, you must make it the same so that you can replace it with the goldfish. So how do you do that? 5 and 4, a common multiple is 20. So you times 4 here, you get 20 swordtail is the same as times 4 here as well. 32 goldfish. Okay, so 20 swordtail, same as 32 goldfish. So do the same thing here. This 4 swordtail, we change to 20 as well. So we need to times 5 for that. So when you times 5, you get 20 swordtail. 7 times 5 is 35 goldfish. And this will cost 67 times 5 as well. 335. Okay, so these 20 swordtails, we replace it with 32 goldfish. So 35 goldfish plus another 32 goldfish will cost $335, which means 67 goldfish will cost $335. We can find the cost of 1 goldfish. 335 divided by 67 to give us a final answer of $5 for the cost of 1 goldfish.